The truth about gold IRA fees is something many American retirees overlook when considering this type of investment. But it's crucial to understand exactly what you're getting into before moving your hard-earned savings. If you're thinking about securing your wealth with a gold IRA, you're probably wondering how much those fees can eat into your potential returns. Well, in today's video, we're breaking it all down for you so you can make an informed decision and avoid any surprises down the line. Before we dive deep into fees, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description. We've got a free gold IRA guide to help you understand why thousands of Americans are choosing this route to safeguard their retirement savings. Whether you've got $100K in your IRA or 5 mailers in savings, this guide will help you find the right gold IRA company that fits your specific needs. Now let's get back to the fees. When people hear about gold IRAs, they often focus on the potential for wealth preservation, but what they don't realize is that there are a few costs involved that can really affect your bottom line. The most common fees you'll encounter are setup fees, annual maintenance fees, and storage fees. Let's break these down so you know what to expect. Setup fees are typically charged when you open a new gold IRA account. These fees can range from $50 to $500 depending on the company. While it might seem like a one-time expense, it's important to factor this into your decision. Some companies waive these fees if you invest a certain amount, so it's worth asking about that upfront. Next up, we've got annual maintenance fees. This is the fee charged by the custodian to manage your account. These fees usually range from $100 to $300 per year, depending on the company. While it might seem like a small amount, keep in mind that this can add up over time, especially if you're in it for the long haul. But here's the kicker. Many gold IRA companies offer competitive pricing, and some even waive these fees for large investments or longer-term commitments. Now, storage fees. This is where a lot of confusion sets in, since your gold needs to be stored in a secure, IRS-approved facility. You'll often have to pay for storage. The cost of storage can vary based on the company and the amount of gold you have in your account. Storage fees can be as low as $100 per year for a small amount of gold, but if you have significant holdings, it can go up to $1,000 or more annually. It's vital to ask for specific details on the storage costs when researching gold IRA companies. And here's the thing, while other retirement options like mutual funds or stocks might seem tempting, they come with their own set of fees too. Stockbroker commissions, mutual fund fees, and management fees can add up quickly. But what you might not realize is that these fees are often ongoing and tied to your investment, which means they continue to eat away at your potential returns. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, provide a much more predictable fee structure. Sure, there are initial and ongoing costs, but you know exactly what you're paying for, the security of your wealth. Gold, unlike the unpredictable stock market, is a tangible asset that typically appreciates over time, and with gold IRAs, you're not just betting on short-term gains. So, as you're evaluating these costs, don't forget that gold IRAs offer stability and potential for growth that you won't find in traditional investments. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure you take action now. Again, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that can help you understand the fees and benefits in full detail, plus how to get started with a gold IRA. In conclusion, the fees associated with gold IRAs are definitely something you should understand before you commit, but with the right knowledge, they're not something to be scared of. These fees are a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with securing your wealth for the future. If you're an American retiree with $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even $5 in savings, gold IRAs could be the right solution to help you protect your wealth for the long term. And, as always, make sure to click the link in the description to grab your free guide and get started today.